In this video, I'll show you how to change who can message you on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. In the top left corner, tap the three-line menu and then tap the settings gear icon. This will open your Messenger profile page. Now scroll down until you find privacy and safety and tap on it. Next, select message delivery. Here you'll see several different categories of people who might try to message you, like friends of friends on Facebook, people you follow on Instagram, or even people you have no connection with. Tap on a category and choose how you want messages from these people to be handled. If you select chats, their messages will go straight to your inbox. If you select message requests, their messages will go into your request folder for you to approve. And if you choose don't receive requests, their messages will be blocked entirely. Go through each category and set your preferences. And once you're done, you've successfully customized who can contact you on Facebook Messenger. That's all there is to it.